Struggling for massage techniques to do on the upper back? In 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the best methods for a complete treatment. Keep up, this is going to be quick. I'm going to start off with reverse effleurage, down the shoulders, up the neck, down the back, over the shoulders, up the neck. We're then going to move to kneading. Now I can come around this way, pick up with your fingers and your thumbs and knead the upper traps. We can combine this with work on the back of the neck. So nice kneading technique here. Clients always love this one. From here, we're going to move to a palmar kneading technique. So we're going to pick up and squeeze down, pick up and squeeze down. From here, we could move to Effleurage du Poing. So I'm going to use my fists and my body weight to get in to the upper traps again. And then I'm going to turn my fist round so that I'm working either side of the spine and in between the shoulder blades. From here, I can use a single or double elbow just to get a bit more pressure down on the erect spine eye group and through the trapezius muscle. But I do want to focus on around the scapula as well. So I'm going to work on the infraspinatus and I'm going to use Effleurage du Poing on the back of this shoulder blade. Make sure you're avoiding the bony areas. We're going to knead that area. And we're going to work with the arm here. And we're going to work a bit deeper now around that medial border of the scapula. Okay, from this position we could also have hand behind the back just to get a little bit deeper around that border. Going to repeat that on both sides. Bring the arm back down. And then I'm going to finish with that reverse effleurage technique. So in 2 minutes I've covered a lot of techniques, but there are some specific deeper techniques that you can do on the back. So please watch further videos on those. I hope you have found this 2-minute tutorial useful. Please drop me a comment below if there's anything else you would like to see. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one.